Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today we're going to be assembling one of our newest transmission mock-up swap blocks. This is the 8HP70. So I'm just going to go over the install a little bit and show you how easy it is. So all of our plates are going to have laser etching on them, and you're just going to match up the laser etching. Make sure that the letters are facing the same direction when you assemble these. So I'm going to put D to D. We're going to do C to C. We're going to, for this one particularly, we're going to assemble the tail shaft onto the end plate here. So throw this in like that. And we're going to bend all of our tabs the same direction as the reliefs here. So in this case, we're going to bend these up. I like to start with a crescent wrench and just get them started, and then you take a hammer, just knock them over. All right. So now that we have all these three uprights in, we're going to take the top spline and line everything up. Now, it is nice to have two people, but it is doable with one. I'm just going to show you how easy it is here. So you're going to make sure that everything is seated down and that this vertical piece is in the slot completely. Once you have all these pieces in, we're going to start bending over the tabs on the bottom. It might be easier to turn it on its side. And remember to bend all the tabs in the same direction as the bent pieces on the uprights. Okay, and once you do bend all these tabs over, what's going to happen is it's going to suck these plates in very tight and rigid. It's going to create a rigid structure. So now you have an accurate, rigid representation of this 8HP70. So now we're going to put the bell housing on. And bend them over. There you have it. An accurate, lightweight representation of the 8HP70 transmission. So check us out at crossmembers.com if you want to find out more about all of our swap blocks. Thanks for watching.